Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome as well. Oh no, lashes are like leaving the chat. So y'all, I just put on some lashes, just to look a little bit alive, but it looks like I'm flying away. Okay, let's fix that. So welcome to my channel. I don't know what it is. I actually didn't want to post this video because guys, I'm so busy and I didn't have time to film. I'm not saying that I don't have time for you, but I'm just saying like your girl was busy, okay? So I decided to, guys, there's like background music that is like, what? Can you please just like a little bit? I'll put my own background music. Thank you. Okay. Guys, I'm literally annoying this guy, but yeah. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, I didn't want to film, I didn't want to post anything because I was a bit caught up, and so I decided to film a little something for you guys since we hit 1,000 subscribers. I mean, like, how can you not see my face if we have reached 1,000? Okay, so it's gonna be like a video. I don't know. We're gonna be cooking mautuana, like we call it tinchonzo in my language. So we're gonna be cooking that. Nothing too special, nothing too hectic. So let's get into this video. And yes, we are flying away. Okay. The lash is out. Let me go fix the lash and I'll see you guys in a minute. Peace. Guys, I'm not an expert at all. I can't even cook. I can't do anything at all. But today we're gonna boil the chicken feet and eat thou feet. Amen. So the first thing that we're going to do is to go in with chicken feet. I'm gonna go in with this bowl. We're just gonna wash those. So I don't have like an interesting story. The one thing that I've been doing is actually on someone's son's birthday, guys. I went to Twitter and I posted thingy, what is it called? A post and said, okay, I'll just put it right here for you guys to see, and it blew up. And y'all, like, I was actually everywhere on Facebook, on wherever, people laughing. People love weird things, and thank God I actually showed him before I put it through, because wow. So just gonna put water. The makoya raja, so I'm just gonna go in with raja one and salt. Just gonna go in with the salt, and I'm just gonna season my feet. There's nothing too hectic, guys. That's why I love doing our feet, because there's nothing much that I am supposed to do, and I'm not really a good cook. Can you see that? I just wanted to change color so that it looks better, because wow, I can't cook. Anyway, we're not having a cooking lesson. This is a beauty channel, and no, you're not lost. Like, I feel like this is an awkward video. So we're going in with herbs. Spice it up a little bit. Yo, we're gonna use our hands to eat this. No spoons whatsoever. This is like a get-to channel. I hope this is gonna be a nice one. Guys, like, please rate me. Okay, please don't, because this is gonna be a horrible video. It was not my idea to do this video. So I really hate chopping onions. Like, someone said I must put it in hot water so that the onion doesn't make me cry. Hey, 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 hey. We are doing it the Guyana way, guys. So you mix the water with the maize, and you just put everything in. Guys, I've noticed that I've actually lost weight but I don't know why, because I eat a lot. I lost weight. Can you see, like, I feel like I've got bones showing, and well, yeah, my boobs are going in reverse motion. Guys, if I was not scared of the knife, I was just gonna go and and get over this one. Honestly, like. So what I did here, you guys, is to open a little bit because the thing is spilling out. Yeah, story of my life. So this is how actually the Maotwana thing is looking. What is it? The chicken feet. This is how they're looking now. They're like brownie. I'm just waiting for the water to boil off so that I can put my mixture right here. So yes, we are doing the tiger thing, the tiger print plate going on right there. You know, the theme allows, the theme agrees. My people are gonna bully me for this, guys. They're gonna bully me straight to where in Guyana have you seen such pap? But anyways, we move. So nothing too special. Guys, I'm being real with you. I've never pulled off, is it off or up? I've never pulled up a glass to drink water, so we are being real. So let's drink some water out of a mug that says eat. I don't know if that makes sense. I actually miss doing those like outrageous looks, you know, bold looks. You know, another reason why I started my channel is because I wanted to do bold makeup looks, and I feel like I've been doing a little bit of neutral lately. That is because honestly time, and second of all, I was trying to see if I do love neutral looks, but I miss the colors, guys. So you can actually go to my Instagram and, you know, suggest any look that you would like to see by me. Just suggest any look that you would like me to do, or anything that you want me to do, and then I'll do it for you guys, hopefully. I am shukununu_bold, and on Twitter I am shukununu, small letters, @shukununu, and that's it. On Facebook I have a page. It is shukununu_bold, and my Facebook name is Shukununu Makaela, MAKAELA. I'll just list everything right here. So do also, guys, subscribe to my channel, also follow all my socials and everything. Yeah, and let's grow this channel, guys. I'm not drunk, I swear. I just set it aside for a moment. For now, we've got an empty, what is this? Onions, herpa. I'm gonna add back the thing in. Just wanna give this a little bit of fry. Doing like, I don't know if they put water after. And I'm gonna put, I forgot to fry, guys. Yeah, so we're just gonna let that boil, and then after we eat. Bye bye. Hopefully it doesn't burn. Oh, constipation on the way. Just gonna put, this is a lot of pap. Just gonna put, this is a lot of pap. Guys, there's no Instagram way to put this pap, so bear with me. Looking, I'm tired. I think I did a good job for someone who doesn't know how to cook. Foot number 1, size 11. I'm looking for size 2. Yeah, size 2. And a little bit of soup. So of course I'm sitting on top of the kitchen what. Guys, that's where I'm gonna sit. So here's my pap, Oh yeah, I don't think we'll ever have a video like this because it's a lot of work. Not easy, guys. I'm literally exhausted. I thought it was gonna be a short video, you know. Okay. I thought it was gonna be a short video where, you know, everything is simple, but it's just so difficult to film food and stuff. So I don't think we're gonna have anything like this anytime soon. But this is nice. This is nice, guys. I'm finishing like. Okay. This is how you eat meat, guys. You eat with the bones. I'm telling you, even the pedicure of this meat is nice. I'm so sorry, chicken, but that time, guys, I'm going to sleep. I don't think a person must have a meal just minutes before they go to sleep, but who cares? Flat stomach food. Flat stomach food. Guys, I'm super full. This is how you eat pap and chicken feet, guys. Like, gone within minutes. So I want to take this moment, you guys, and thank you for subscribing. We are sitting at it's actually more than 1,000. It's like 1,008, but it doesn't show. But yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for subscribing. Thank you so much for, what is it? Thank you so much, you guys, for trusting me with my craziness and stuff. But yeah, I don't know if that makes sense, but English, it is not my mother tongue, and you cannot expect the perfect one from me. But yeah, you guys, on a serious note, I really thank you for the 1,000 subscribers and to more continuous growth. Cheers. So that is the end of the video, guys. Like, all I wanted was for you guys to see my face and see my night time. I wouldn't say routine because it's like I had to eat, right? So I just wanted to take you guys through my night in a way. So we are done with the video. This camera is heavy. So we are done with the video and I'm done eating. I'm so full. I need a toothpick. So I am I'm just gonna go and wash my face, take off this lashes off. Let's do it now, actually. Taking off the lashes, you guys, so that we can say our goodbyes. Right now, actually, I'm just going to the bathroom to wash my face. If you haven't seen my nighttime routine video, just check on the link down below and see how I wash my face. So that's it from me, you guys. See you on the next one. Bye.